going to take the tripod, pull these down, pull them out, go all the way up, come down one notch, pull it all the way up, come down one notch, put the feet out straight, make sure to get it pretty locked in. We're going to level it out. Take the stakes, depending where you're trying to put it, stake them at an angle. And just level the bubble level. Look at it. I'm going to turn this forward to turn it. This one here is for azimuth, to be able to turn the head. This one here is for elevation. Tilt. I mean, not tilt, elevation, yeah. And this one is the quick connect, so we're going to put this in, lock it down. We're going to grab this, the mount piece of it, bag of screws. You're going to have the thicker screws, so there's three types of screws. You have ones that look like this, and then you have the other ones here, or you have a tri-knob, and then you have a very small one with a very thin screw. So grab 4 of these other ones that are look like this. Put this on. What we're gonna do is set the screws in very loose. Just make sure they're all threaded in lightly, or loosely, I should say. Once they're all threaded in loosely, then we'll tighten them all down. We're going to do that with all the pieces. Take number 1, 1 to 1. Thread them in loosely again. Then tighten them down. I'm going to do that for all remaining pieces. You may, depending on weight distribution, you may want to put the buck on first before you put on these 2 pieces. If you don't have the tripod anchored down. So I'll do that right now before I put the last piece on.
Or put a little weight on the front
Or
leg.
put a little weight, yeah, but I'll do this now just to show you. And the other thing I will do is connect the modem. So it goes in the second hole. There's 2 holes here.
That's
One,
the screw.
and this is a little screw. It goes in the second hole. You might have to pull this out a little bit, and it should just push in, and then you can start threading once it's in. Or turning the screw, one screw. I'm not going to connect this up to the last minute. What we do is take this. Cable part, or F-type. This is going to go to the USB. What we're going to do is connect the power here. Make sure the square part of this, or the straight part of this, ends up where the arrow is, or where you have an arrow here, and this will just go directly into here. And then I'm going to connect it to the battery, out portion of the battery, and then I'm going to push on. I'm going to see the modem light up. I'm going to finish finish. Rest of this. Get them all started up, or get them all started slow into it loosely. Just makes threading them easier. Now, once they're all started, you can tighten them down. I'm going to connect the front. Okay. The application. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected. It's connected now. Make sure your Bluetooth is on as well. There we go. Open your GFAP program. It's going to say full up. You're going to pick what satellite. You're going to press pointing.
Up.
Now it's going to say whatever directions you want or need. Make sure also you have a left hand or right hand where it says here on tilt. It's going to say LH or RH. You want to make sure your buck, which is this part, is showing here. You're going to have an arrow and it's either going to say L, or if it's the arrow's up on the top, it's right hand. And just make sure that's how your polarization. All right, so
Up.
I'm gonna go up.
Sweep down.
If she
Left.
said,
Down. Left. Sweep left. Sweep left.
okay,
Sweep slow. Find. Sweep slowly. 654. Fine tune. 450. 60.
and do a final adjustment.
50.
Make sure that
40.
we're getting
50. 60. 50. 40. 50. 60.
There we go. Then what we're gonna do, let's go to register. And when it's online, it'll say connected, and you'll have internet connection connected. It's gonna take about a minute, minute and a half.
Connected.
There you go. Now we're connected.
That's it.
Thank you very much.